हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू माय चैनल ऑनलाइन लर्नर्स आड़ा। फ्रेंड्स, जो मैंने पीजी एंट्रेंस प्रिपेयर होती से प्रैक्टिस सेट प्रोवाइड करुच्ची। आज पॉलिटिकल साइंस ऊपर 50टा एमसीक्यू आनी। जो मैंने प्रीवियस वीडियो सब देखी ना जाए प्ले लिस्ट रही देखीदे। चलते स्टार्ट करबे आज क्लास। क्वेश्चन 1, who said that the state is a union of families and villages having for its and a perfect and a self-sufficient life? Option A, Plato. B, Marx. C, Aristotle. D, Pollock. Answer of option C, Aristotle. Question 2, who is known for treating politics as a policy science? Option A, Muscat. B, Laswell. C, Marx. D, Michaels. Answer of option B, Laswell. Question 3, who was the founder of the philosophical approach to politics? Option A, Aristotle. B, Plato. C, Hobbes. D, both A and B. Answer of option D, Aristotle and Plato. Question 4, the pioneer of the communication theory was? Option A, Robert Wiener. B, Jean Blondel. C, O.R. Young. D, none of the above. Answer of option A, Robert Wiener. Question 5, who was one of the first among the modern political scientists to challenge the traditional approaches? Option A, Laswell. B, Freud. C, Bernard Crick. D, Charles Merriam. Answer of option A, Laswell. Question 6, who among the following is an authority on imperialism? Option A, Michael Sandel. B, Rosa Luxemburg. C, Parker T. Moon. D, none of the above. Answer of option C, Parker T. Moon. Question 7, in Marxist theory, society is divided into dominant and dependent classes, and the former controls the state, which is an embodiment of option A, economic power. B, social power. C, political power. D, none of the above. Answer of option C, political power. Question 8, the Communist Manifesto of Marx and Engels Franklin advocates the use of option A, temporary methods. B, violent methods. C, unfair methods. D, non-violent methods. Answer of option B, violent methods. Question 9, who makes a psychological study of the theme of a revolution? Option A, Johnson. B, Sorokin. C, Gore. D, Tocqueville. Answer of option B, Sorokin. Question 10, which of the following is not one of the sources of administrative law? Option A, custom. B, superstition. C, ordinance. D, constitution. Answer of option B, superstition. Question 11, who said that political participation is the activity by private citizens designed to influence governmental decision making? Option A, Myron Weiner. B, Lucian Pye. C, Milton Esman. D, Huntington Nelson. Answer of option D. Question 12, who divides the field of administrative law into the law of internal administration and the law of external administration? Option A, Goodnow. B, James Hart. C, Dicey. J.P. Morgan. Answer of option B. James Hart. Question 13. Who rejected the whole idea of liberal democracy, terming it as a class democracy? Option A. Communism, B. Socialism, C. Marxism, D. Gandhism. Answer of option C. Marxism. Question 14. Who defined democracy as the worst form of government, less than tyranny? Option A. Plato, B. Aristotle, C. Lasky, D. Cleon. Answer of option A. Plato. Question 15. Who said that Gandhi was an odd kind of pacifist, for he was an activist full of dynamic energy? Option A. Kabir, B. Tolstoy, C. N.B. Sen, D. Pyarelal. Answer of option C. N.B. Sen. Question 16. The sociological foundation of negative liberty was provided by option A. John Locke, B. Herbert Spencer, C. T.S. Green, D. Jeremy Bentham. Answer of option B. Herbert Spencer. Question 17. The idea of possessive individualism is given by option A. Karl Popper, B. Hannah Arendt, C. C.B. Macpherson, D. None of the above. Answer of option C. C.B. Macpherson. Question 18. One party system was established in option A. Russia by Lenin, B. Germany by Hitler, C. Italy by Mussolini, D. All of the above. Answer of option D. All of the above. Question 19. The term Panchayati Raj refers to a three-tier structure of rural local self-government in each village, block, district. None of the above. Answer of option C. District. Question 20. The term presidential government originated in option A. France, B. USA, C. Great Britain, D. Switzerland. Answer of B. USA. Question 21. Which of the following set of countries does not have a presidential government? Option A. Philippines and South Korea, B. Italy and Canada, C. Indonesia and Egypt, D. None of the above. Answer of B. Italy and Canada. According to Trotsky, bureaucratism is a option A. social phenomenon, B. economic phenomenon, C. political phenomenon, D. None of the above. Answer of option A. social phenomenon. Question 23. Who among the following identified bureaucracy with institution and large-scale organization in society? Option A. Engels, B. Harold Lasky, C. Karl Marx, D. Marshall E. Dimmock. Answer of option D. Marshall E. Dimmock. Question 24. Which model of development believes in development through the state? Option A. Marxist model, B. welfare model, C. liberal model, D. None of the above. Answer of option B. welfare model. Question 25. Which of the following is not associated with पॉलिटिकल अंडर डेवलपमेंट। ऑप्शन ए करप्शन, बी वायलेंट डेमोन्स्ट्रेशन, सी कमिटेड ब्यूरोक्रेसी, डी टेरिटोरियल इंटीग्रेशन। आंसर हम ऑप्शन डी टेरिटोरियल इंटीग्रेशन। क्वेश्चन 26 हु सेड दैट डेवलपमेंट इज बोथ पॉलिटिकल मॉडर्नाइजेशन एंड ए पॉलिटिकल इंस्टीट्यूशनलाइजेशन। ऑप्शन ए लेवी, बी जागोराइव, सी पैरसन, डी ब्रिक्स। आंसर हम 26 रो बी जागोराइव। क्वेश्चन 27 हु इज द किंग इन द मार्केट मॉडल ऑफ डेवलपमेंट। ऑप्शन ए कंज्यूमर, बी रिटेलर, सी प्रोड्यूसर, डी नॉन ऑफ द एबव। आंसर हम कंज्यूमर, ऑप्शन ए। क्वेश्चन 28 हु एमंग द फॉलोइंग इज नॉट एन एडवोकेट ऑफ अंडर डेवलपमेंट थ्योरी। ऑप्शन ए पॉल बैरन, बी एंड्रे गोंडर, सी सेल्सो फर्नांडो, डी साइमन। आंसर हम ऑप्शन डी साइमन। क्वेश्चन 29 व्हिच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग आर्टिकल्स ऑफ द कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन डील्स विथ द फंडामेंटल ड्यूटीज। ऑप्शन ए आर्टिकल 39C, बी आर्टिकल 51A, सी आर्टिकल 29B, डी नॉन ऑफ द एबव। आंसर हम ऑप्शन बी आर्टिकल 51A। क्वेश्चन 30 हु प्रपोज द प्रिएम्बल बिफोर द ड्राफ्टिंग कमिटी ऑफ द कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन। ऑप्शन ए जवाहरलाल नेहरू, बी बी आर आम्बेडकर, सी बी एन राव, डी महात्मा गांधी। आंसर हम ऑप्शन ए जवाहरलाल नेहरू। क्वेश्चन 31 व्हिच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग रिट कैन लाई ओनली अगेंस्ट ए पर्सन होल्डिंग ए पब्लिक ऑफिस। ऑप्शन ए हेबस कॉर्पस, बी मांडामस, सी प्रोहिबिशन, डी सर्टिओरारी। आंसर हम ऑप्शन बी मांडामस। क्वेश्चन 32 व्हिच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग डिस्क्राइब्स इंडिया एज ए सेकुलर स्टेट। डायरेक्टिव प्रिंसिपल्स, बी प्रिएम्बल, सी यूनियन लिस्ट, डी स्टेट लिस्ट। आंसर हम ऑप्शन बी प्रिएम्बल। क्वेश्चन 33 राज्यसभा एंजॉयस मोर पावर्स दैट द लोकसभा इन द केस ऑफ। ऑप्शन ए मनी बिल्स, बी नॉन मनी बिल्स, सी सेटिंग ऑफ ए न्यू ऑल इंडिया सर्विसेज, डी अमेंडमेंट ऑफ द कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन। आंसर ऑफ ऑप्शन सी सेटिंग ऑफ न्यू ऑल इंडिया सर्विसेज। क्वेश्चन 34 हु इज competent to dissolve the Rajya Sabha। Option A the chairman Rajya Sabha, the president, the joint session of parliament, D none of these। Answer होगा D none of these। Answer of option D। Question 35 how many members of the Rajya Sabha are nominated by president। Option A 5, B 12, C 1/5 of the total members, D 10। Answer of option B 12। 36 question number 36 the speaker of the Lok Sabha is elected by the। Option A president, B prime minister, C members of the both house of parliament, D members of Lok Sabha। Answer of option D members of Lok Sabha। Question 37 which theory is the result of a behavioral revolution in social sciences। Option A the systems theory, B the realist theory, C the idealist theory, D the pluralist theory। Answer होगा ऑप्शन ए द सिस्टम्स थ्योरी। Question 38. Who produced formulations of the decision making theory in 1738? Option A. Anthony Downs. B. Daniel Bernals. C. David L. Sills. D. Robinson. Answer of 38 B. Daniel Bernals. Question 39. A bill is a money bill or not will be decided by option A. Finance Minister. B. President. C. Chairman of Rajya Sabha. D. Speaker of Lok Sabha. Answer of option D. Speaker of Lok Sabha. Question 40. The concept of a concurrent list in Indian Constitution is borrowed from the Constitution of option A. Japan. B. Canada. C. Australia. D. USA. Answer of option C. Australia. Question 41. The President of India can be removed from his office by the Chief Justice of India, Parliament, Lok Sabha na Prime Minister. Answer of B. Parliament. Question number 42. Who defined democracy as aristocracy of black cards? Option A. Mains. B. Barkett. C. Talleyrand. D. Aristotle. Answer of C. Talleyrand. Question 43. Polybius classified governments into option A. monarchy, aristocracy and democracy. Option B. plutocracy, bureaucracy and aristocracy. C. dictatorship, democracy and oligarchy. D. none of the above. Answer of option A. monarchy, aristocracy and democracy. Polybius classified governments into monarchy, aristocracy and democracy. Question number 44. The most important feature of the British Constitution is its character. The most important feature of the British Constitution is its dash character. Option A. unwritten. B. rigid. C. written. D. none of the above. Answer कौन होगा? Option 44 number answer होगा option A. unwritten character by. The most important feature of the British Constitution is its unwritten character. Question 45. England has a dash form of government. Option A. presidential. B. dictatorial. C. parliamentary. D. federal. Answer of C. parliamentary. Question 46. The Constitution of the United States is the oldest dash constitution in existence in the world. Option A. written. B. rigid. C. unwritten. D. flexible. Answer of option A. written. Question 47. The Constitution of the United States is described as option A. flexible. B. rigid. C. conventional. D. none of the above. Answer of option B. rigid. Question 48. Who was the first president of the Fifth Republic in France? Option A Philip, B Michael, C Louis VI, D General de Gaulle. Sorry, Louis IX. आंसर अब एठारे D General de Gaulle. Question 49. The French legal and judicial system bears the imprint of option A British, B constitutional law, C Greek law, D Roman law. Answer of option D Roman law. Question 50. The leaders of the Indian Renaissance emphasized the importance of dash values in politics. Option A moral, B social, C ethical, D spiritual. Answer of option C ethical. फ्रेंड्स आज 50टा क्वेश्चन प्रैक्टिस सेट आनिक आसी जो मैंने वीडियो देखी प्लीज लाइक करूँ एवं निज सांग मान पाखु शेयर करूँ जो मैंने सब्सक्राइब करना दयाकोरी सब्सक्राइब करने सहित बेल आइकन उपरे क्लिक करूँ। धन्यवाद।